Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the alpha key in Piggy. This special key is not found within a regular Piggy chapter, but rather through a unique crossover event. Obtaining it will unlock the exclusive Percy skin, a highly sought-after cosmetic. The journey to acquire this key involves playing two different Roblox games, Piggy 64 Part 2 and Tower Heroes. We will guide you through each step of this multi-game process to ensure you successfully add Percy to your collection. Let's begin. Your first step on this quest is to join the game Tower Heroes. Once you are in, navigate to the server menu and select Casual Mode, then choose the Corporate Chaos map. Inside this map, you will need to find a specific billboard. Go behind this billboard and a unique code will appear. This code is essential for the next stage, so make sure to write it down accurately. This initial challenge sets the stage for your alpha key acquisition. After securing your unique code, proceed to a distinct yellow building located on the hills within the Corporate Chaos map. The windows of this building function as a keypad. Carefully enter your code. Upon successful entry, a special pig enemy will spawn. You must strategically place and upgrade your towers to defeat this boss. Once the pig is vanquished, the game will glitch, and you will earn a special badge, marking your progress towards the alpha key. With the badge secured from Tower Heroes, your final step is to rejoin Piggy 64 Part 2. The game will recognize your achievement and update your progress. At this point, the alpha key will be officially unlocked and added to your inventory. This key is the sole method to obtain the exclusive Percy skin in the main Piggy game, allowing you to showcase your dedication. Congratulations on successfully acquiring this rare and special item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.